Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Open Settings and tap General, then iPhone Storage to start auditing. Wait for the storage breakdown to load completely. Look for the iOS update entry near the top of the list. That update file often measures about 3.5 GB or more. Also inspect backups, which may range from 5 GB to 20 GB depending on content. Check photos and messages for large attachments and videos that consume gigabytes. Prioritize what you can remove safely before deleting system items. To remove a downloaded iOS update, open iPhone Storage, tap the update, then Delete Update. Confirm deletion when prompted to reclaim those gigabytes immediately. Next, go to Settings, tap your Apple ID, then iCloud and Manage Storage to remove old backups. Delete backups for devices you no longer use. Backups often occupy 5 GB to 20 GB each. Use offload unused apps to remove app binaries while keeping data. Clear Safari history and website data to free temporary. If system data remains abnormally large, back up your device first to iCloud or Finder. Connect the iPhone to a Mac or PC and use Finder or iTunes to create a local backup and archive it. Choose Erase all content in Settings to remove all user data and trigger a clean install. Then restore from the backup you created to recover personal data while excluding cached system bloat. A full reinstall often shrinks system data and can recover multiple gigabytes of storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.